Zesty sweet potatoes. Welcome, let's fry. Pour organic rapeseed oil into the hot pan. Cut sweet potatoes into even cubes. Add sweet potato cubes to hot oil. Sweet potatoes, golden and crispy. Drain fried sweet potatoes on paper towel. All fried sweet potatoes drained on paper towel. Organic sour cream. Sprinkle fresh chives on the sour cream. Add fresh dill to the sour cream. Black pepper for added flavor. Squeeze lemon into the sour cream mixture. Stir the cream and herbs until blended. Marinate chicken drumsticks with aromatic herbs. Air fry chicken at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes each side. Add avocado pieces on sweet potatoes. Sprinkle fresh chives on sweet potatoes for flavor. Ready to enjoy. Zesty sweet.